Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to take screenshot in Playwright. Okay, to take screenshot in Playwright, there is a method called screenshot. Using this, we take screenshot. Okay, so now let us take the screenshot of Amazon web page. Okay, so I've created a spec file. So to take screenshot, it is very easy. Await page dot screenshot, the method screenshot, and pass the option that is path. Remember, path and colon, and within a single quote mention the file name. So I want to give the file name as Amazon. I've already have one and two, so I will give Amazon 2 dot png. Okay, this is the format, png format. Okay, so now I'll save and execute the file. So just page dot screenshot, it will take the screenshot of the visible page. Okay. Okay, so here it created the file called Amazon 2. So as we can see, it created it took the screenshot. Okay, so this is how we this is how we take the screenshot. Okay, so now I don't want this screenshot. By default, the screenshot will get saved in the project folder. Okay, so I don't want this should be in the project folder, so I want to create a folder and I will keep all those screenshots there. Okay, so for that I will go to my project folder. It is in D drive. Okay, so here I will create a folder called screenshots, and inside this I will tell the script to keep the screenshots. Okay, so how to do the same thing? So path colon, inside the single quote type the folder name screenshots. There should not be any spelling mistake. Screenshots slash file name. Okay, I will give Amazon. Okay, file name dot png. Okay, so now let us execute this. So this will keep the screenshots inside this screenshots folder. Just create the folder in the project folder structure. Okay, let us go to the screenshot folder. So here the screenshot is getting captured, and when we click on that, we can see the screenshot. Okay, so now, so by default this will take the, if I'll just give like this will take the screenshot of the visible part of the web page. Okay, it takes the visible part of the web web page. Suppose you want the full screen, for that there is an option called full page. Okay, same thing, inside this path give the folder name, and after that give comma. Okay, and use the option called full page colon true. Okay, full page colon true, and this will take the screenshot of the full page including footers. Okay, so let us execute the same thing. After the screenshot path, and after that put comma and give the option called full page is equal to true. Okay, let's go to this file and see it capture the screenshot of the entire page. Okay, so this is how we take the screenshot of the full page. I'll write this in the second line. Okay, first one I'll keep it to the visible page. Okay, so this is to, something is missing, single quote, sorry, curly braces. This is to take the screenshot of the full page. Okay, so and as you're noticing one thing, the screenshot are getting overwritten here, correct? So if I execute again, so this will get replaced with this one, correct? Sorry. To avoid that, there is something called as timestamp. We can append timestamp with Amazon, I mean the with the file name. Okay, just remember, using the timestamp we can generate unique file names. Okay, so how to do that? It's simple. Await page dot screenshot. Okay, path colon, so within a single quote, here do not use single quote, use backtick. Okay, just remember, use backtick, and the folder name is screenshot. Screenshot slash file name I want Amazon, I will give one. Okay, so here after the file name I want hyphen, and here I want to generate the unique timestamp. Okay, so I want to generate unique timestamp. For that, use dollar symbol and curly braces. Inside that, type date dot now. Remember, date dot now. Okay, so this will generate the unique time and append with this file name. Okay, so and after this, give format, that is png. Okay, dot png after the curly braces. Okay, so now let us execute this. I will just comment these two lines. Okay, okay, so now let us execute this. So this will append the current timestamp with this file name. Okay. So as we can see inside this screenshots folder, there is a file name Amazon 1 and the unique timestamp. Okay. So let us execute this again and we will see. Okay. We will see another file name with the same name but different, I mean different timestamp. Okay. Okay, so as we can see, both are having same screenshot with different timestamp in it. Okay, so this is how we can generate unique screenshot. Okay, so just remember date dot now. Okay, and we should use this inside this backtick, and to use this we have to use dollar and we should use the curly braces. Okay. Okay, so what we have seen to take the screenshot of the visible page and full page, correct? So now we will see, that is, instead of writing this screenshot method in every test, we can directly write this inside this config file, that is playwright.config.ts. Inside this, there is a block called use. Remember, use block, and here after the trace, write a line of code, that is screenshot. Okay, screenshot colon, and within a single quote, there are some options: on, off, on first failure, and only on failure. Okay, so we always choose only on failure because it will take the screenshot when there is only failures. Okay, so on we will not use, correct? Simply it will fill up the space. Off, so whenever we don't want to take any screenshot, we'll use off. Okay, and when we want to capture the screenshot when there is a failure, we will use only on failure. Okay, so write this line of code, and here in this Amazon, so I will enter something, and I will just make some mistake, so it will fail. Okay, So instead of this two tab search box idea, we'll give something else. Okay. Await page dot locator and ash locator. I will add one to this just to make some mistakes. Okay, dot fill, I will enter book. Okay, and these screenshots will create a folder called test results. Okay, so this will keep the screenshots inside the test results. Okay, I will execute this. It will fail and we will see that. Just remember, inside the playwright.config.ts, and inside that there is a use block. In that we have to write a line, that is screenshot colon the options. Okay, on, off, or only on failure. So it is trying to identify the or find the locator. Okay, test fails. And as we can see, so it created or it put the screenshot inside this test results. Okay, and test failed, the file name is test failed. Okay, so this is how we can take the screenshot in the config level. Okay, so we are not using or we are not writing screenshot method inside every test file. We can directly mention inside this config level. Okay, so now let us see that how to take the screenshot of a specific element. Okay, so I'll comment this one. Okay, so for that I will use the same locator. Okay, so it is simple, const ele element and say await page dot dollar. Okay, so this dollar means it is a query selector in css selector. It means it takes the single element or it finds the single element. Okay, suppose if you want multiple elements, we need to use double dollars. Okay, and inside this mention the locator. So here the locator is ash, and here we have the locate, copy and paste. Okay, ash the locate. Okay, so this is the locator and we want to take the screenshot of it. Correct, so I have created a variable and I've kept this locator inside this. So to take a single element, I'm using page dot dollar. Okay, so here to take the screenshot, await ele dot screenshot. Okay, use ele dot screenshot. Okay, and path colon file name. Okay, screenshot, file name screenshots colon file name amazon dot png. Okay, so let me see the file name, sorry, folder name, screenshots, spelling is wrong, screenshot. Okay, so here by default it put question mark because suppose if the file, suppose this locator is not there on the page, it will not throw any error in this line. Okay, so for that reason we are giving colon. Okay, so let us execute this. Okay, insert screenshot folder, so amazon. So as we can see, it took the screenshot of this single element. Okay, so this is how we take the screenshots in Playwright. Okay, just remember the method name, screenshot. Okay, so if you want the full page screenshot, use full page colon true. Okay, so just remember always to keep the screenshot options inside this playwright config.ts file. Okay, so and inside this use block. Okay. Okay. And if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this video.